Happy Friday, everyone! Yes, it's Friday and it's the last weekend of September. It's unbelievable. We are getting closer and closer to Christmas. And if the thought is stressing you out, that it's only 2 months until December, and you are sitting with your payslip in your one hand and your bank statement in the other one and going, ooh, what are we going to be doing for the next month? You should have thought about that yesterday. And if you're a bit too late, you can still think about it today. I'm a stay-at-home mama. I had no income at all. We only had the one income from my husband, and we have quickly realized that the one income is just not enough anymore. So I was starting to look around and scrolling around on TikTok, and I found this digital marketing program in the e-learning industry that is my solution. That is a solution that I can give to you today. It's a 2-hour working day, so that means the program is working around my schedule. It's got an automated system, which means I don't have to go out there and ask anybody to buy anything from me. I don't get to know. I don't even know if somebody scrolls by. Because they're finding my potential clients for me. And that's you. It's giving me the ability to tell you, as the person who's sitting there, that there is a solution that you could earn money online in US dollars daily, weekly, monthly. It depends on how much effort you put in there. I started with a low costing program, which is a $300 US. It is giving me 2 income streams, and I can upgrade whenever I'd like because there's 4 possibilities. Just begin small. None of us had the money to start off this program. With me, who had no job, used my last savings. But I did it. I jumped in the minute I could. If you want my formula blueprint, then just pop ready in the comments and I'll get it over to you.